We've got a serious car today, serious fun. 1969 Mustang Shelby GT350 has air conditioning, automatic, actual VIN number match motor, heavily documented. You can see right here, we have the Shelby invoice. I think this was an order form, another part of the order form. And over there is a concours judging sheet. Out of 661 points, only 6 points were deducted. This is in the registry. This is an absolute genuine number match, factory read, documented, real deal Shelby right here. Go to volocars.com. You'll find 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. Or you can scan the QR code and it'll bring you directly to this car. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, I said this is a serious car. It's because it is documented and collectible. But yeah, it's fun. Just look at it. It's a gorgeous car. Mustang, the Shelby really took the Mustang to a whole nother level in 69 and 70. This whole front end is fiberglass fenders and hood. These hoods got a little bit of a bow to them. That's normal. That's because this is the original hood. When you open it up, it's dated 1969 under the front. So it's not been in any accidents, and that's original. Fiberglass fenders, all excellent. The doors were untouched, all nice, clean, straight, but these are Mustang doors. Nothing changed there. Shelby did add the scoops on the quarter panels, and then they added the fiberglass trunk lid and the end caps here. And all of this looks to be really sharp. It's all straight, all looking really good here. Candy apple red, the original color, and it is polished out smooth and glossy. Aside from going through a little puddle there behind the tire, look at that, it's like a glass finish. There's a little nick in the decal. These are reflective decals. They light up like a neon sign at night when the light hits them. The correct antenna. All clean, all straight, no rust. Even under the rockers are clean. No door dents. All the lines are nice, shuts like a new car. The roof is all nice and straight. The pillars are clean. Again, fiberglass fenders. This is all in excellent shape. They're extended. You have functional scoops here. You got a front spoiler. It has this big wide mouth grille. This is all Shelby. A little tiny nick right there. It does have the Lucas fog lamps as part of the Shelby deal. A little spot of bad chrome right there. A little spot peeled off. Looks like the original hold downs. Now in 1970 only, that's how you tell 69 and 70. 70 has black stripes painted on it. And this scoop here is an actual ram air functional scoop. These scoops sucks air in here and lets the air out, takes the heat out of the engine compartment. So those are all functional. And the paint is beautiful, polished real nice. You'll find a little nick or something really minor or petty if you go looking real hard. The glass is in really nice shape, and I believe it's the original windshield. The back window's super clear. The insignia on the glass, it's the same on the windshield. So I'm going to say I think those are original. The moldings are shiny and fit real nice. Has the 65 Thunderbird taillights. That's where Shelby borrowed them from. And then, of course, the exhaust coming out where the license plate would normally be. That's a real cool feature on these cars. Has the Cobra Shelby emblems. The Shelby wheels, 15-inch, they're in real nice shape. Right in here in the groove, there's a little corrosion, but you can see they look great. Tires look new. It's a good-looking Shelby. Let's open it up. I got a lot more cool features to show you. Let's take a second to admire the back of this car, this mesh Shelby insert. Now these lights, they blink across. They're called sequential lights. And again, check out this aluminum exhaust that comes out the middle there. Cool features. Inside the trunk's real nice. Look at that. The light works, all painted, has the stickers, the weather strip, the jam, all looking real good. Inside is all painted red, nice and clean. Has the proper jack, even has a little felt here. That's correct. The space saver spare, a nice mat. This is a reproduction battery. They're not the most reliable, but for the concours judging, you would put that in. And then, of course, this opens up right into the interior. So real nice trunk compartment. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when new videos are posted. Now, 1970, the Shelbys were very rare cars. They only made 789 altogether. Only 117 were GT350 automatic cars. So the door jambs are painted slick. The latches are real nice. Weather strips look great. It's a deluxe interior, so it has the molded door panels, and it has the speakers down in the doors. It has a very nice interior. Looks like the instrument bezel was replaced. So all the chrome is shiny. This one's got 87,000 miles on it. It has the optional tachometer. The dash pad's real nice. The vents are all real nice. It has an AM/FM radio stereo in it. These are Shelby gauges. It's all part of the Shelby package. All nice and clean. Quartz movement in the clock. Interior lights work. You have fresh carpet with the red sewn-in mats. Getting back to the console, there's the wood Shelby knob. Original Shelby Cobra seat belts. The Shelby toggle switches. And then the cushioned armrest here. It has the high back deluxe seats. They're all nice cushions, all nicely upholstered. And Shelby included a roll bar with shoulder harnesses. I don't know how many factory cars came with roll bars, but very cool. It has the sports seat, which means it folds down flat. And all this you can see is in excellent shape. And then the seat itself is also real nice. Got the Shelby seat belts. The upholstery is great. All the plastic surround is all in excellent shape. Interior lights work. Headliner, sail panels, all this is excellent. Looks like it's been replaced. Nice new matching visors. The mirror looks real nice. Now, what's wrong with this steering wheel? It's a swing away wheel. When you open the door to get out, it goes point, it pops out of the way. That was an option and it works. The steering wheel itself is not worn at all. It's in really nice shape. And I believe it's also a tilt wheel. Yeah, tilt and a swing away wheel that works. So got some nice features in here, and it's in really, really nice shape. Yeah, this is the last year of the Shelby for a long time. Very, very limited production. And how many survived? Now, this is the numbers matching. A lot of Ford guys, you'll see Ford's advertised, they'll say number match. You say, did you check? Do you know where the numbers are at? And they don't. The actual VIN number on the back of the motor matches the car. It has the original Shelby intake, the Cobra finned valve covers, and everything's stock. The hoses and clamps and plug wires. Has the complete ram air system. See, this meets up to the hood here. That air is forced into the air cleaner, and it's complete with the heat riser tube. Even the choke tube still has the cloth on it, and all the fittings and clamps and everything's beautiful. The gray hinges. The factory spot welds are still showing. Those are usually bondoed over or gone. This bluish paint marking, that's an assembly line marking. All this is clean and proper. Front has the horns, all this good stuff here. Ford radiator, the right shroud, the right clamps and hoses, auto light hose, and factory air conditioning. Power steering, has a Ford washer bottle. Power brakes. Yeah, it's a super engine compartment. And if you look at the underside of the hood, it's all nice and clean. You probably can't really read it, but there's numbers here, and it says 69. That's an original hood, not reproduction. Michael's going to demonstrate the car for you. I'll see you in a few minutes.
right, everybody, here we go again. Out on our private test track that has been plowed but not salted. Nice running 351 under the hood. Such a cool looking car too. All these scoops right in front of you. Let's give you a little jog around here, show you everything's working. This is an air conditioning car, power steering, power brakes also. We do have the heater on, that is working well. Started real easy for me in the showroom. And hasn't given me any problems since then. Which is fantastic. Really nice running car. Rim blow horn too. Forgot about that. But as safely as we can, we're going to accelerate a little bit there. And yeah, we'll encourage you to come out when the weather's a little bit better. You can test drive it for yourself if you'd like. And check out all the details on our website, volocars.com.
So underneath the car is just as clean as the motor compartment. The floors are beautiful, smooth, clean metal, painted a semi-gloss black. Looks like all the suspension and steering was redone. These come with what Ford called the competition suspension. And everything's detailed out with the correct paint markings, assembly line markings. Disc brakes in front, drum in back. The whole e-brake system is all hooked up. The lines, the hoses are all clean. The fuel system's all nice and clean. It has the factory type dual exhaust with skinny mufflers, and it goes into one transverse muffler, a sideways muffler, and then it goes into that cool exhaust tip in the back. You look up at the motor, nice and clean from the bottom, the starter, the fuel pump, all those components look original. They're not custom or aftermarket type stuff. And again, VIN number match original motor. It has the correct automatic transmission. It has its original rear end. It's dated. It's a 3.0 ratio traction lock, so it's a posi rear end. Just super nice and clean underneath this car. A little handprint right there. Highly documented. We also have the Marti Report. There's a picture of that on our website. That breaks it down to like 81 of these, something like that, in these colors. It's just, and that's how many were built. Like 790 built all together. The convertibles, the GT500, that was it. How many of those survive? And then you start breaking it down into options and colors. This is a rare, very special car. Beautiful. Go to volocars.com. Salesman will help answer your questions, including how to get your Shelby delivered to your door and how to get financing if you need that. Thanks for watching.